Fill in a valid project name. Click the Project Settings button. Click the Service Accounts tab. Click the Create Service Account button. And click the Generate New Private Key button. And you will get a JSON file. Then, go to ZEGOCLOUD Admin Console. Click the Add Credentials button. Select the JSON file you just got. The package name must be the same as your local Android project. Download the Google Services.json file and follow the instructions to place the file in the project. Add the required configurations in the build.gradle file as instructed. While if you want to specify the ringtone when you receive a call invitation, then you will need to do the following. First, add a valid MP3 file to the specified folder. Then, go to ZEGOCLOUD Admin Console to configure the resource ID. The resource ID can be any valid character. And specify a channel ID, which can be any valid character either. Fill in the path of the ringtone file, usually in the project top-level directory.